Good morning. I think it's like Wednesday, maybe. B16b, pulling this one out, putting it into another chassis that has been painted and prepped. Pretty nice. Doing a full EK9 rep, like the double din dash, the privacy glass, pretty much everything B16b obviously. Got the LSD trans and everything to go with it. This one is, I believe, just the S80. So it's got a Honda and all that stuff, a few gauges, nice steering wheel, all that kind of stuff. Pulling everything out, stripping it. This will just be a shell that I'll be using for another little project on the side. And that's me today. That's basically what this video is. Just going to show you kind of my process, pulling everything out. Straightforward. This is actually the fun part. I love this part. And so we give the car a gurney, cleaned all the crap off. Usually the first thing you want to do when you are doing like pulling a motor out, even if you're putting the same motor back in, it's just saves your tools, saves your hands, all that kind of stuff. So this is the B16b EK9 TypeR motor, which is good. Alloy rad, a few other little bits and pieces. Pretty straightforward swap really. It has been torn down, new head gasket, new seals, all that kind of stuff. Valve lash and everything will be done. Car itself, not too shabby. You know, she's an older girl. It's a nice green too. It had 0 offset wheels. You can see where it's had fender flares, so something needs to be done about those for when I use it as my little project. TypeR DC5 steering wheel, a couple of AEM gauges. We've got the Mugen Civic TypeR dash cluster as well, which is kind of nice. The new car, the EK9 rep car, is actually getting the EK9 bezel and double din head unit, all of that stuff, which is quite expensive. Getting all black plastics, which is in Australia also quite expensive. Getting privacy glass, all of that stuff. So yeah, pretty in-depth little build. I think I've got onto like the 11th, like 12 days to do it, rebuild the whole motor and everything. So really going to be powering along because I've got a lot of other things that I'm doing at the same time. But yeah, I'll get into it. This is just going to be mostly time lapse, and yeah, enjoy. B16b is out. EK is pretty much worthless now. I still got the interior, I got the dash, I got gauges, steering wheel, glass. I think the owner still wants the driver side and passenger side door glass. I don't need it obviously. Maybe the door cards as well, someone might be interested in those. Shifter, I need to get the shifter out. There's a few other bits and pieces I need to work out if he still needs the loom, the dash loom, all of that. I'll probably just take the whole lot out, honestly, like stripped bare. Exhaust needs to come off, and then I think that's pretty much it for this shell. I'll get in there and literally gurney it, the whole thing, inside, outside, underneath, everything. Chuck a car cover on it and then put it somewhere, put it to the side. I don't have time to start on that project straight away, but I will keep it in my back pocket for some content later on, so keep that in mind. I did go pick up a K20. I got all that stuff here, so it's actually a reverse K-frame. It's a K20 Z1 TypeR block, K24A3 head, so it's got VTEC on both cams. And what I'll be doing is taking my TypeR cams that are floating around over there as well and putting them in that head. So essentially it's a K20Z1 TypeR motor and head. Do some porting, some polishing, valve springs, new bearings, new rings. I'm going to keep the pistons will stay the same, but the rods I'll get something cheap, some I don't know, some Eagle rods, something like that, around the $500 mark. Nice and cheap, nice and easy. ACL race bearings, like all the basics. New timing chain, all of that, tensioner, all of that kind of stuff. Oil pump I actually got given it's a bit of a mess actually. I'll show you when I get to it, but we'll make it work. We'll make it work, you'll see. Anyway, that's it for this video. B is out. That's gonna be the next video, I think, is probably rebuilding this, and when the other shell shows up, we'll get into that as well. So yeah, thank you for watching. Leave some comments, like, subscribe. Yeah, cheers.